Welcome to my next video. Similarity Practice Set 1.1. Before going to Practice Set 1.1, we will see some properties of ratios of areas of two triangles. For this, we have to consider one example. In triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. In triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. We know that area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Then the ratios of areas of these two triangles will be area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 BC into AD. That is the formula for area, that is 1/2 base into height in the numerator, and in the denominator area of PQR 1/2 base into height, that is 1/2 into QR into PS. 1/2 get cancelled. Therefore we will get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. Hence the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Okay. From above example, in general we get property number 1. If base of triangle 1 is B1 and height is H1, base of triangle 2 is B2 and height is H2, then the ratio of their areas is equal to area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. Property number 2. If the heights of two triangles are equal, then the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That means area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 upon B2. And property number 3. If the bases of two triangles are equal, then the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. That is, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to H1 upon H2. Okay. Now here there is an activity. Fill in the blanks properly. In the first activity, we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle APQ, and that is equal to the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So in the numerator we have to write the product of base and height of triangle ABC, that is BC multiplied by AR. Similar procedure in the denominator we have to write the product of base and height of triangle APQ, that is PQ into AR, and reason for that is ratios of areas of two triangles. AR get cancelled and the answer will be BC upon PQ. In the second problem, here also we have to find out the ratio of areas of two triangles, triangle LMN and triangle DMN, and that is equal to the product of their bases and corresponding heights. In the numerator, area of triangle LMN is equal to base into height, that is base MN multiplied by height LP. In the denominator, base of triangle DMN, that is MN multiplied by height DQ, and reason for that, ratios of areas of two triangles. Here MN and MN get cancelled and the answer will be LP upon DQ. Okay. Next, third problem. Here M is the midpoint of segment AB and segment CM is a median of triangle ABC. Here we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle AMC and triangle BMC. Both these triangles have equal height. Therefore, the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Therefore, answer will be AM upon BM. Next, as CM is the median, therefore AM is equal to BM. And replacing BM by AM, we get AM upon AM, that is equal to 1. Okay. Practice set 1.1. The first problem. Base of triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Consider two triangles. Triangle 1 with base B1 equal to 9 and height H1 is equal to 5. And triangle 2 with base B2 is equal to 10 and height H2 equal to 6. Now, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. Now putting the values, we get 9 multiplied by 5 upon 10 multiplied by 6, we get 3 upon 4. Now the second problem. In the figure, BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB, BC equal to 4, AD equal to 8. Then find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Now we have to observe this figure. Triangle ABC and triangle ADB both have common base, that is equal base. Then we know the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. That means ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle ADB is equal to BC upon AD. That is the ratios of areas of two triangles with equal base. Putting the values is equal to 4 upon 8. On simplification, we will get 1 upon 2. Okay. Now third problem. In adjunct figure, segment PS perpendicular segment RQ, segment QT perpendicular segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR equal to 12, then find QT. Consider one note which is not a part of answer. It is only for understanding purpose. Okay. For triangle PQR, if we consider PR as a base, then QT is its height. If we consider RQ as a base, then PS is its height. That means same triangle with different bases and heights. We have to take ratios of areas of these two triangles to find QT. Therefore, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. Therefore, in the numerator, we will get RQ multiplied by PS divided by PR multiplied by QT. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. Is equal to, putting the values, 6 into 6 divided by 12 into QT. Cross multiplication, QT is equal to 6 into 6 upon 12. On simplification, we get QT is equal to 3 units. Okay. Now fourth problem. In adjoining figure, AP perpendicular BC, AD parallel BC, then find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle BCD. Consider one note. Triangle ABC and triangle BDC are situated in between two parallel lines. Therefore, their heights are same. Also, they have equal bases. Let's go towards the answer. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. In numerator, for area of triangle ABC, base BC multiplied by height AP. In the denominator, base of triangle BCD, BC multiplied by its height, that is equal to AP. As both the triangles have same base and same height, therefore ratio will be 1:1. There is another note that ratio of area of two triangles with equal bases and heights is equal to 1:1. Now fifth problem. In adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular BC, AD perpendicular to BC, then find the following ratios. Answer. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. Okay, now the first ratio we will take area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equal to ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. In numerator we have to take product of corresponding base and height of triangle PQB. Therefore we have to write in the numerator BQ multiplied by PQ, and the denominator we have to take the product of base and height of triangle PBC, that is BC multiplied by PQ. PQ get cancelled and answer will be BQ upon BC. In the second problem we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle PBC and area of triangle ABC. Therefore in numerator we have to write product of base and height of triangle PBC, that is BC multiplied by PQ, and in the denominator we have to write the product of base BC and height AD of triangle ABC. BC get cancelled, we will get PQ upon AD. The remaining problems you can solve it. Okay.